This is Candace with Coldwell Banker Realty. I am excited to announce that this Saturday, I will be hosting an open house on behalf of my colleague, Catherine O'Donnell, at 55 Day Road in Plainsboro, New Jersey. This is an amazing opportunity to own a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet home located in the amazing West Windsor Plainsboro School District. So if you've been looking for a home that's turnkey, come see me this Saturday, April 16th from 1 to 4 p.m. I'll be there to help you in your home buying journey. And if you have a desire to live in the Plainsboro area and haven't been pre-approved, contact me today for representation and to jumpstart your pre-approval process, because more than likely after Monday, this home will be under contract. So come see me this Saturday, 1 to 4 p.m. or contact me below so that we can